Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial we'll be learning on how to make this beautiful Zara cap with a bold design behind it. And to our old subscribers who have been faithfully watching our content and following us up, we really do appreciate you. May God bless you dearly. And if you are yet to subscribe, like if you are new here and you are yet to subscribe, please do it by smashing on the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. A subscriber made a request of this particular video and I thought it's wise to share it so that we can all learn from it. Please, after watching, I would like to hear your take about this video. Please kindly drop your comments on the comment section. Drop your suggestion on the comment section. See you at the end of this video. For this particular design, I'll be starting with the Zara cap. And my measurement for Marco, which I'll be using for the Zara cap, is about 18 inches by 3. Okay, I'm gonna measure that out just the way you see it now, and I'll bring out my material. For this particular design, I'll be using a doll face design material, for this, and my measurement is 25 length by 18 inches breadth. 25 inches length and 18 inches breadth. So I'm gonna cut that out now. I'll place my marker at the middle of my material, but before that I would like to locate the middle of this particular material by folding into 2 and cutting out the edge this way. That is to locate the middle part of this material. So I'll fold my Zara cap, my marco, and do the same thing to also locate the middle part of my marco. As you can see, the middle. Also, look at the middle of my material. I'll place my Zara cap on it this way. Okay, I'm supposed to place and fold. I'm going to fold it 1 and 2 for the second time. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew from this direction to the other direction. After sewing, I'm going to be turning it this way. Okay, I'm going out this way, then fold backward this way. Then I'll take it back to my sewing machine. I'm going to sew from this direction downward. Okay, so this is it after sewing. This is my sewn part. So the next thing to do is to trim off the excess material using my scissors. I'm going to trim that off now. Having done that, I'm going to be forming big plates. Okay, I will use my needle and thread and form pleats in this side of the cap. So keep watching and keep learning. Sincerely, I really want to appreciate all my subscribers. You guys are doing amazingly well. Thank you for always engaging on my videos. I really want to appreciate you for sharing, for always liking, for always sending your comments. I really appreciate that. And if you are yet to subscribe, please join the family and make it bigger by smashing on the red subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. So keep watching and keep learning. I'm done with the stitches. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to turn the cap inside out. Okay, and here the Zara cap base is ready. So the next thing is the bow tie design, the bow design behind the cap. So the measurement I have here is 20 inches by 8, 20 inches by 8 folded into 2 equal parts. So I'll be taking it to the machine to sew now. So after sewing, this is what I've gotten. I sewed one part of the material and I left one side open. Okay, I sewed the horizontal part and one side of the vertical part, and I left the other side open so I can be able to turn it inside out. So same, I got a crinoline of 20 inches. Okay, crinoline of 20 inches, and I'm going to be fixing it inside it now to make it firm, make it look strong. Okay, so that the bow tie can be able to stand on its own. That is the reason for this crinoline. I'm going to be fixing that now. So I want you to keep watching and keep learning. Do ensure you subscribe if you're here to do so, like, and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. Okay, so if you have any comment, anything you want me to make, any video you want me to talk about, or any comment concerning this video, I want you to drop it at the comment section. Keep watching and keep learning. I have fixed my crinoline inside the material. The next thing I'm doing now is to fold in the tips of the unsewn part. Okay, I'm going to fold it in, then I use my needle and thread to stitch it properly. Just keep watching the way I was stitching it now. I'll be stitching it, giving baby space. So I want you to watch and see how I'm doing this now. So I'm stitching it step by step gradually. So after stitching this line, I'm going to be picking the other tips, this tip now. I'm going to do the same stitching. Okay, I'll stitch it. After that, I want you to watch and see how I'll be forming my bow. Okay, I'll fold it into two and I'll ensure that the stitch parts are in the middle of one side. Just keep watching and keep learning. Okay, okay, so I believe you understand what is happening here. After that, I have to use my rope to tie it at the middle. I got this piece of stone material. I'll just place it at the middle, then use my hot glue to glue it together. If you notice, I did not cut off my needle and thread. Okay, I use it to stitch the material. You can also use your hot glue. I didn't cut off my needle and thread, but I'm using it to stitch this bow tie to the cap itself. So I'll just stitch firmly and ensure that the stitches are firm enough before stitching it to my Zara cap. Okay, I'm going to be stitching until it is firm. Yeah, I believe you're getting value from this video. If yes, please give this video a thumbs up. Ensure you share, and if you are yet to subscribe, please smash this red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you get more and amazing videos. Now this flowers, I got it from a petal. I got this rose flower this in the market, so I did some detach of some leaves from it I applied my hot glue and I attached to the Zara cap, and I attach it here on the Zara cap. Okay, you can decide to sew it, you can decide to do stitches with your needle and thread, or likewise you can also use your glue machine to glue it, whichever way you want it. You can place this design all over the body or one side of the Zara cap. You can also use pearls for the design. You can also use different material to design it depending on your choice. Okay, you can equally leave it plain depending on your choice. You understand? You can just design it on whatever you want, just make it beautiful, give it the taste that you desire. Okay, and this is the final look of this product, Zara cap, with a bold design behind it. I believe this is beautiful. If you're yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video to this very end. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye for now.